Woundclot is a revolutionary haemostatic product for treating bleeds. Uncontrolled bleeding is a serious and life-threatening condition that requires immediate action. It can occur due to injuries sustained by accidents, surgeries, or even in combat situations. In such instances, stopping the bleeding as quickly as possible is critical to saving lives. Woundclot is an innovative haemostatic product designed to do just that. Woundclot is a non-woven, sterile and biodegradable haemostatic agent that helps to stop bleeding quickly in emergency situations. It's made from natural cellulose and doesn't contain any animal-derived materials. The product is available in various sizes to accommodate different wound sizes and types. So how does Woundclot work? When Woundclot comes into contact with the blood, it absorbs the fluid and forms a gel-like substance that adheres to the wound. This helps to create a stable clot, which stops the bleeding quickly. Woundclot also helps to promote the body's natural clotting process, which aids in the healing process. Woundclot offers numerous benefits when used to treat bleeding, including rapid hemostasis. Woundclot helps to stop bleeding quickly, which can be critical in emergency situations. It's easy to use. Woundclot's easy to use and doesn't require any special training or equipment. It can be applied directly to the wound and can be easily removed by medical professionals during treatment. It's non-toxic. Woundclot is made from natural cellulose and is non-toxic, and it's also biodegradable, and it doesn't leave any residue in the wound after use. Versatile. Woundclot can be used in many settings, including hospitals, clinics, military, first aid, and emergency response situations. It's also effective in treating different types of wounds, including traumatic injuries and surgical incisions. And finally, a long shelf life. Woundclot has a long shelf life, which makes it a practical addition to any medical kit or emergency response kit. Woundclot is available for humans, animals, and a training version. For more information on Woundclot, we're the UK distributor, so please get in touch to discuss your requirements.